Welcome to the Aircraft Interiors Show, Hamburg 2018. My name's Andrew Muirhead, Head of the Product Division Original Equipment Innovation at Lufthansa Technik, and I'd like to take you on a tour of the booth to show you what's new this year. Imagine coming on board the aircraft and not just being greeted by a flight attendant, but by this wonderful welcome board. This is a 5mm organic LED display which can be mounted onto the galley and presents the passengers with information about the flight, about the boarding process, and many other interesting pieces of information during the flight. For example, during cruise, information can be shown, for example, about the duty-free shopping on board and many other pieces of information. At night time, so that it doesn't disturb, it can be put into a nighttime mode or even turned off completely. And during the descent, we can also provide information about the passengers returning back to their seats, and then information about the destination, the weather there, and any other things that they may wish to know. Completely different experience when on board the aircraft, bringing modern technology to the plane and the ability to provide interesting information to the passengers. As you may or may not know, we've been building the TIOS Radome platform for the 737 for around 18 years. But we've insourced the production now, a couple of years ago, and we're now building a KA, a KU and an L-band version of the Radome, which has been developed in-house, and it's produced in-house in Hamburg. The platform's now available on the 737 MAX this year, also on the BBJ-1, the BBJ-2, and we plan to deliver it also on the BBJ-3 next year. We've perfected the development and the production process so that if you have a design for a Radome that you would like to have implemented, we can do that in 6 months from start to finish. Not only do we build Radomes, as you can see here for the fuselage, but our colleagues in the modification centre are able to provide you with a one-stop shop for the complete installation turnkey solution for providing connectivity to the aircraft. We in turn, inside the cabin, can provide all of the hardware needed to provide wireless communications to the passengers, such as wireless access points, servers and data loading units. This year our GuideU team has yet another innovation to show amongst all the other innovations that they've brought to market, with emergency escape path marking going upstairs, around corners and in various colours. This year we're able to show a retrofit kit, so for existing emergency escape path marking we can now remove the emergency escape path marking from the aircraft and without changing any of the drawings of the carpet, put an adapter piece in place and the latest in GuideU stripes into the adapter. No changes required to the aircraft drawings, and we have STCs for retrofit for all commercial aircraft types, and we're also supplying this to the major aircraft OEMs.